Hi, welcome back or welcome to the channel. Today we will be creating an RGB blur effect in Final Cut Pro without the need of plugins. If you find this video helpful, feel free to subscribe for future videos. But yeah, without further ado, let's get into it. Now, I do want to start off by saying that this will work for other video editors as well, but we're in Final Cut Pro, so we are doing this for Final Cut Pro. So what we're going to do first is hold down Options and drag this clip up 2 times, because we need 3 of the same clip, okay? I hope you're with me so far, because this is where things get a bit interesting. We're going to come up here to this tab right here. It's the color inspector tab. Again, if you don't have this available, just click on here and you'll see here, then click this right here. Make sure this is selected. And then what we're going to do is click on color curves, okay? And then since this is the red we want to isolate, what we are going to do here is drag this all the way down, drag this all the way down, and turn off Preserve Luma, okay? So now we have just the red channel. And then when I hit V for Victor, disable that. And here we're going to, on the second clip, we're going to do the same thing, but we're going to isolate the green by itself, which means the blue and red is going to be dragged all the way down. Again, turn off Preserve Luma, then, hide that. And then we are going to do, you guessed it, the same thing here, except for when I isolate the blue all by itself. So we go that, and then Preserve Luma. Now, the final step we're going to do when I re-enable both of these, but we are going to change their blending modes. First one, change to add. Second one, also change to add. Now we are exactly where we started from the get-go, but the thing about it is that these are actually on their own layer. So it's the same clip from the get-go, it's just on the different layer. Then all we need to do is simply stagger this a bit, okay? So we're going to go ahead and have this move over to we're going to have this move over exactly 2 frames. So 1, 2, and then this is going to move there, and then we're going to have this move over 4 frames. 1, wait, hold on, from the get-go, 1, 2, 3, 4. And we have this moved here, and then see, perfect. And then as you can see, we have that effect now. So if we play this clip right here, we have that effect. So, it's kind of like RGB blur. It's kind of that effect that they used with the old TV or whatever effects. So yeah, this is pretty cool. You can play around with them like that. And hopefully you found this helpful. I don't know if you're into this kind of thing, but if you are, feel free to, play around with it. Hopefully you found this video helpful, and with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.